Good work, KK. Wow, good work. Nice toe edge. Good work, KK. How about you try to go to the tree now? Go towards the tree.
Daddy will follow.
Yeah, I'm following you. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know, maybe. Hey, KK.
Mommy said that.
You wave to the camera. You're on the lift. Wow. We're so high. Alright, let's go. I'll help you.
I can also.
Daddy, Daddy, I never seen these gloves.
You want to what?
Never seen these gloves.
Oh yeah, these. It's okay, don't worry.
But they go with the.
Wait. Let me go back a few feet and then you follow me, okay?
I can also.
Come here. Just stop on your heel edge. Heels. Don't worry. Don't be scared. Okay, let's go towards that tree over there, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna put on my binding, okay? Wait. Okay, come on, heels. There you go. Yeah. Okay, stop.
I almost bumped your camera.
It's okay. Slowly release the pressure off your toes. Come on. Go to me. It's okay, don't worry, I'll catch you. There you go, you did it. You did good, KK. Come on. Here. It's okay. Daddy falls down all the time. Okay, let's go down that way, okay? Come on, KK. I know you can do it. Good work, KK. You got it. Just stand straight up. Come on, you come to me. It's okay. Come on, right to me. It's okay. Push pressure on your left foot. Yeah, like that. Come on, come towards me. Point at me. Come on. No, you're doing it. You had it there, KK. Okay. Okay, come on. Oh, it fell down. Yeah. Well, this is how Daddy snowboards, Kiki. Look how fun it is. This... Oh, it's okay. Let's go to mommy, okay? Is this fun, KK? Don't worry, Daddy's got you. Okay. How's that? Go this way. Oh, sorry, KK. Are you okay? Oh, you're okay, baby girl. Oh, where's your yaya? Oh, where's your yaya? It's okay. Oh, it's okay. That's where it always hurts, KK. That's okay, baby girl. Are you okay? Where's your yaya? Don't worry. Daddy gets Yaya there all the time. Daddy has a Yaya in his back earlier today. Daddy was jumping and then I hit my back. Okay?
The snow's so soft, like a cloud.
What?
The snow is so soft, like a cloud.
Yeah, it's soft like a cloud, Kiki. Okay? Come on. Let's just go to mommy, okay? Come on, let's go this way. Jump this way. Yeah, like that. Come on. Let's go. Come on, jump, jump, jump. There we go.
Daddy, here. Daddy, what is that thing?
Huh? What thing?
Nothing.
Come on, go. Come on, use your heel edge.
No.
Ooh, you're snowboarding, Kiki.
Nothing.
Yeah. Stop. Ooh, Daddy's feet are so tired. You want to rest? Okay. Oh. Come on, almost there. Oh, there's mommy right there. You want to just unstrap or walk to mommy? Here. Here, I'll help you. Go walk to mommy, okay?
Daddy, can I hold the board?
Yeah, I'll hold your board, okay? You walk to mommy. Mommy's right over there. Mommy's right there. You go to mommy.